Hi folks, my name is Tom.Peterson and I'm going to do a video presentation for you today on this 2018 Freedom Express 275 BHS. So it's a bunkhouse model, kind of a little bit of a twist on what you typically see out there, but it's going to be a pretty cool floor plan with lots of good storage. So let me start on the inside and we'll finish on the outside. On the interior here, you're going to have a small slide out, so it keeps the size of this coach to be still relatively short, but giving you a lot of space to still have sitting for all the family and all the friends and all that to gather. You can keep this table inside or out. You can move it how you want to and what fits best. It also goes down as support to make this into an additional sleeping area, as well as the couch, which we'll see when we kind of walk around here. We've got the couch where the cameraman's sitting, and then you've got your booth here. Well, as we look in this area, you've got newer cabinetry colors that Coachmen Freedom Express has been coming up with. So we've got some nice color, and it's going to be a little bit lighter than what they've been doing, as you may know, in the last 5, 6, 7 years. So I like it. It's pleasing. It's well finished off. I like the way they do it. They've got a little cutting board in the kitchen there that you can see over the burners there, the 3-burner stove. You've got the sink, which is now more of that sort of solid one-piece sink design. And good counter space, good tall cabinets throughout the kitchen. And we can kind of get this out of the way here, and we'll take a look in the back area over there, what we got for the beds. Though this just came in, so it's a little bit on the darker side, but I'm going to open that door for them to be able to get in, and we'll have the camera guy show you what size we got in that bathroom area. It's pretty decent area to get in and change clothes if you need to. It's got a skylight and a little vent up top, and you've got some storage inside the bathroom area there. As they come back, the beds are double over double beds with a window on each side there. And then on the right of the camera there, you'll see they're going to have a closet that maybe you can open up there, and you'll see it's going to have an ability to adjust those shelves and to have hanging or just more linen closet, and a couple of drawers down below as well too, which are nice for extra storage. As we look back in kind of the kitchen area here, what we'll do is we'll kind of look at that area, and then also right behind, when you're going to be looking in the kitchen too from that area, you'll see you're going to have all this entertainment area that you can see from everywhere inside, but your TV can be coming in and you can adjust in how you want it to be. You got to finish storage inside here for more pantry, and you've got this is kind of a pretty clever little drawer here set up for silverware, and we mentioned before about that covered area there. More storage inside these lower cabinets, and then as well as drawers here for your full extension drawers with wood backers. So also, I see they've got some storage now they've put down with access doors underneath the couch, which is a nice feature to have as well. So you'll like that. Never can get enough storage. And then this is a jackknife sofa bed, so you can just make that down into additional sleeping pretty easily there. And that person can sleep. But you also see that there's a little area here that can come down. So what they're doing now with this is they have a little USB. So you've got that on each one. And so that's kind of nice if you have your smartphone or your tablets, whatever. You can plug those in, and that's being charged all the time while you're plugged into shore power. Nice window on my right too for additional lighting. I like the way they do the counters in the Coachmen product, both in the table and this counter over here are sealed, so you don't have any edges to kind of peel off and everything. I like the way they design that. You've got more storage overhead here as well on both those. The bedroom has a full private bedroom with a solid door. You've got a full-size queen bed for those taller guys that like to be able to have more space, and you got plenty of room to get around the foot of the bed. You got some storage over here on that side as well on this side too. And you've got 3 doors up here for some additional storage. You got your reading lamps. There'll be storage up underneath the bed as well. I also like it has a vent inside overhead. Additional light as well as extra ventilation. And you got the cross windows in the master bedroom for extra ventilation as well too. You're going to have your power awning and your slide out button controls up here. And you'll see this a little bit higher, so if you get some of the small kids, they want to always touch the buttons down low. I like the fact they put them up high here. As we go down here, grab handle, of course, getting in and out. This does have the spread axles as well for extra balance and great towing and taking some of that tongue load off the front. As we go back over here, you're going to have a slide out, cook area Right now they have a Coachmen grill, so you can have that to use with little green bottles, and you can have that on the surface over here. There's a little bit of storage in there, and then you've got also the refrigerator, so makes it nice to have a little extra cook area there. If you go around the back side, you got a full bumper, vacuum laminated sidewalls. What's unique about the Coachmen and when they do with the Freedom Express here is when they laminate those walls, they use an Asdale product, which is it's a non-wood product. It's like more of a fiber, it's kind of plastic, and that works really well for the lamination. They swear that it's some of the best type of lamination you can get, and that's what you need, is you have something that will not develop pockets down the road. You want to have really a good lamination seal here, so you get that. You got the outside shower, and then we've got also a black tank flush here, and your cable hookups and your TV satellite hookups there. The slide out system that they do use is a rack and pinion system, so it's a nice heavy duty system on that slide out. I like real well. They choose to go a little heavier that way with this company, but it works out real well with that extra design. In through here you're going to have storage that is going to be separate from underneath the bed, so when you lift that bedroom up in there, you'll also have room inside to keep things separate from your dirty items you might put into this little storage area. You've got spare tire that's not in the back, it's underneath here, out of the way. Room for 2 big deep cycle batteries there that we give for our slide out models. And you also have your double tanks here with cover, and your power tongue jack over here that is lighted, so you can go ahead and help to hook and unhook at night. This cap up here is nice to have as well. A little bit of LED accent lighting too, and this is a nice finish on top of the front, your diamond plate as well. And then you know, we get back around to the other side where you do have some power jacks. So there's a lot of questions that you'll have when you see these videos. Of course, I do quite a few, and at Guaranty here, you know, we've been in business for 51 years, so we have a lot of knowledge. We can help you get that right RV the first time, and that's the whole secret here, is to be able to find the one you want that's going to last you for many years. And there are so many different types and grades and products out there. I'll help you through that. I've been doing it 27 years here, and I'd love to help. So you'll see a number at the end of this video. Give me a call anytime. It's great to have an opportunity to speak with you. And remember, in Junction City here at Guaranty, it's an RV show every day.